We're at Best Auto Service Center located here on Route 611 in Tannersville. Joining me is Tom Sforza. Tom, great to have you on the program. As always, we talk about cars and we talk about driving, and the winter is going to be here before you know it.
Yeah, unfortunately, but it's coming.
Things you need to know about your car. There are things that need to be looked at before the winter gets here.
The tires are big, George, because the all-season tires are not winter tires. They're separate tires, they're special tires, and they handle the snow much better than an all-season. Another thing is wiper blades. A lot of people neglect them. The heater, defroster, the batteries, another electrical system. You know, make sure they're all good to go and they're safe to drive. You know, make sure the car's safe.
I know that a lot of times with the icy road conditions, you know, you do need a good tread. If your tread is marginal on a tire, you really should think about replacing them.
Absolutely. If you're 430 seconds or less, you really should, for safety reasons, you need at least 430 seconds to evacuate the snow. The depth of your tire, a lot of new tires are 10 to 1230 seconds. That's the depth of the tire. When you get down to 430 seconds or less, tires really need to be replaced because they're not going to evacuate the snow like a new tire would.
And talking about tires, you have deals coming up on tires, right?
Yes, we do. Yes, we handle Mastercraft, General, Yokohama, Hankook is another real good tire, Goodyear, Michelin, anything that the customer needs we can get. We do have some deals coming up, some rebates coming up, yes.
It's probably also a good time right now to have all the fluids checked.
Absolutely, sure. The fluids, your antifreeze, your washer fluid, the oil, your transmission fluid, the differential fluids, just to make sure they're all okay and you get through the winter.
Let's talk about financing, because if you have an issue with the car and you need to get it repaired, you offer that, right?
Yes, we have 0% financing for up to 12 months. We also have programs for people if they have bad credit or even no credit. We can help them.
Let's talk about used cars. You now offer used cars. Let's go over and take a look at it.
Yeah, sounds good. Let's do it.
Tom, Best Auto now has used cars.
Yeah,
and this is great because you can come right here and check them out right on your lot here. Tell us about the used cars.
Yeah, we have them all ready to go. They're on a lot. They've all gone through the shop, so they're all quality checked. And then also we have the mileage edge protection plan that we're putting on the vehicles too as well. So
what is
it's
that?
Covering the customer. Well, it's covering seals, gaskets, your drivetrain, your engine, transmission. If they have a problem, they come back here and then we fix the vehicle for them.
So it's like a warranty.
It's a warranty.
You have a variety of cars, right? Different makes and models, and they change up, right?
Yes. Yeah, so the inventory's changing as we're selling them, we get more in, so you know, it's always changing. Another thing is if a customer needs a certain vehicle, they need to call us or stop by, we can get that. If we don't have it here, we can get that vehicle.
That's
we're
great.
considered the used car factory.
And different price ranges too.
All different price ranges. And also we can get the financing for the customer, which is a big thing too.
And I think the best part is that your people have looked over these cars.
Yes.
Checked them out, and they're good to go.
Check them out, road testing them, make sure they're roadworthy, and they're all ready to go, absolutely, yes.
So once again, if you have any type of a car, doesn't matter the make or model, your guys here can really work on the cars, get them running properly for people. If they have any issues, they need to come see you.
Absolutely, we work on all makes and models, foreign, domestic, we fix it all.
And Tom, you have the Best Auto Courtesy Shuttle too, for people that might need a ride somewhere.
Yes, if they need a ride to work, back home, up to the crossings outlet, wherever they need to go, we provide that as well.
That's great. Tom, if people want more information about Best Auto Service Center, how do they find out?
They could reach us by calling 570-688-2378, or they can reach us on the web at www.bestautoservicecenter.com.
And you're located right here in Tannersville.
Right in Tannersville on Route 611.